When flaming trucks, reckless cops, and dump trucks meet crowded highways, you know it's dashcam media time. Add in a 4-car crash and a few close calls and you've got the perfect recipe for another action-packed episode.
Oh my gosh.
What I dreamed of. She never asked me once about the wrong I did. When my time comes around.
Jesus Christ, dude.
Over my feet, baby.
Oh!
When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes. How they look at mine, so kinda like that. You slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean.
Deborah Hollerman's family was angry with police when they learned some of the details surrounding the car crash that took her life.
How can there be a car on the side of the road for a couple?
And TV man Eddie Einhorn about the White Sox. At their first press conference, Einhorn insulted Bilbeck by saying they would run a high-class operation.
Fucking cocksucking imbecile.
Yung lingkod na nag-iisa, ang nagmamaganda ngunit hindi nagmamagaling, sadyang maganda lamang at magaling, sa inyo lamang paningin.
Oh! Holy.
Look, one show cost a 2-piece. Yesterday's price, not today's price. Big bag, I'm juiced up, ocean spray.
Video is now locked. Oh, yeah, I'm fine. Swimming with just wishful thinking of my life, the vision drifting by until I found a lighthouse in your.
Блядь, ну какой мам, я тебе...
What the fuck? What? What the fuck was that? You fucking idiot. Oh, fuck!
Shining like a beacon of bright stars. How is it life go wandering far until I found the light?
Ooh. Ow.